The trams are back. Hello everybody and Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. I am Molly and today we are here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. So we're here to see everything that is new here in 2023. Yeah. So I know they have some new merch for the 100-year stuff and the train is back. We are so excited to go ride the train and we're also going to go get on Splash Mountain. So Splash Mountain is not new yet, but it is due for a refurb soon. So we're gonna go get on it before everything changes and check it all out. So let's go have some fun. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Woo, here we go. Look, Logan, they're waving at us up high. Hello, Captain. Hello, Captain. I see the castle. And it is still Christmas here, which is a little odd. But we are here to do the train. To train. That's our first thing, right guys?
Yes.
Okay, we're going up the stairs. Let's go to the train. Okay, we've only ever been on the train one time and it was like 4 or 5 years ago. The kids wouldn't even remember. So here we go, the train is back. Okay, we are here in the train station. We are going to be going out and getting on soon.
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. The sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Full of tall tales.
Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain.
Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain
and Big
its
Thunder.
runaway mine trains, while just ahead is Splash Mountain.
All right, we hopped off because we're in Frontierland and we're heading to Splash Mountain. Patrick, are you ready?
Yes, I'm excited for Splash Mountain. Let's get it.
Patrick's never done Splash Mountain. Here we go.
It's a little bit of adventure like Thunder Mountain.
We'll see how wet we get. I don't really want to get wet. 60 minutes. We took the train here. We're going to keep going back to Main Street when we're done. Hello. Hey. Row 3, Patrick. Main seated. Keep your hands and arms inside.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm on it right now. Okay, Grace, that's what you're about to do.
Look, here's the drop. Oh my god.
You put your arms up and you go down the hill. You're fine. Here, I'll hold under your belt. I know. It's like you're going to be very little.
Come right in the eye.
I got wet.
Okay, well, there's some food. Oh, look, that's me very close when you get off.
Country.
Oh, look, the castle. Keep going, it's alright, the first one, and then we get going.
Don't sit back, getting cold, you say. Look yonder, there goes Brer Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear, as usual.
Oh, look, you got the rabbit.
Let it go!
No, you want some for lunch. All right, me and Logan are here waiting for Patrick and Tommy to get off the Splash Mountain. I just did it with Patrick for his first time, and that was a lot of fun. I didn't have to get too wet. Good, because sun's going down and it's 73 degrees, so we didn't want to get too wet.
Everyone we've seen was soaked.
It's a lot of soaking wet people. So now we're going back to meet them at the exit, and then we're getting back on this train. That train is so cool, and we are so happy it brought us to Frontierland, so we can do our ride.
So 2 things we were gonna do for the first time.
Here's Frontierland. The view waiting for the train, which I don't think we're gonna make it on.
Stickers!
Mom, what's stickers? So now they have
Mickey.
special Train Mickey stickers for the train ride. Oh, how cute.
Safely inside the train. And as always,
There's Splash Mountain, that's where we were.
Para su seguridad. Trains have a mind of their own.
Wow, Patrick, so cool. Isn't that cool? I wonder if it's gonna go by.
Yeah, that's the one that was here.
There's the sun setting back there.
Isn't that forest in the woods the same thing?
Listen. Hear that? I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Here's gonna be the Barnstormer over here, the Goofy coaster. Tron! Look, Dad. This is where Tron.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird
Both
loves the
sides
moon.
of us.
But I'm still awed by the rockets in Spaceport 75. Their technology.
Unidentified users.
Wow.
That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel. It'd be mighty kind of. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
It looks pretty, and here's all the people coming in and leaving.
The train has come to a full and complete stop, and we received the all-clear whistle from the engineers up front.
All right, we are here on Main Street. It is still Christmas in January at Disney World, so we're gonna run in the shop over here, check out the new 100-year merchandise at the Emporium, and then we're gonna go straight over to the treat store, the confectionery.
Look around. There is a special magic that flows through this land. A magic of fantasy. Swirling with pixie dust, made more brilliant by the light that lives within you. It inspires us to wish upon stars, follow our hearts, and find our happily ever afters. Tonight, as we gather together under the spires of this majestic castle, our dreams ignite the magic to create a beacon, shine out, and celebrate 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Oh, this looks like a section here. Some special little figurines for the 100th. And this must be the special bags. Here's the display. Oh, Minnie, look at the cute little ears. Oh, look how cute those are. And they're super sparkly. Here's some more ornaments. Here's a special zip-up sweater. And the Starbucks. Everybody loves these Starbucks. I don't know, I don't think they're real comfy to grip, so $50. It's sparkly, but it's kind of uncomfy. And here's the wall of 100 stuff. 100th anniversary. And there's the new special ears. And the purple sweater. The t-shirt, let's see, the t-shirt's 30. Sweater was 65. Oh, and then the water bottle, fancy. Oh, they got pants to match the sweater.
Okay, grab a small.
Oh, and a hat.
You got a small?
Oh, and a special hand soap now. This is so pretty. I love this special 100th one. Let's see what's on the bag. Oh, and then everybody is on the bag. Blue's got 100 on his collar. Oh, that one is super cute. How much is this one? $90. Excuse me. Ooh, and a blanket. Look at the giant castle they brought inside. And it's right here with the new 50th bag. I think that is so super cute. I love how it has the rainbow color built into it. Okay, and that one is $85. Oh, I love it. Oh, and then they have the gold Starbucks cup. And this, I love this one. Walt Disney World with them in the 50 outfits with fireworks. I think that one's my favorite, and I like the purple and blue. It's so pretty, and that's all gold and sparkly. Wow, that's a really nice one. I like that one a lot. I only have one Spirit jersey, so that would be my second if I got another one. Oh, and here's a new 50th mug. Ooh.
All the
Corksicle with all the people on it. That one is $45. Ooh. This used to be where we found our other stuff. These are the little smellies. There's squishy and there's smelly and they're scented.
Pooh Bear!
Pooh Bear. What is Pooh Bear? Like a cinnamon bun?
Yeah.
Honey cake Winnie the Pooh. These are the pins. Oh, these are new for the 100th. The 100 collection, and they are all silver. Here's the special mini for the anniversary. Oh, and they also have new stuff for 2023. What else they got for 2023 down here? Oh, a spinner one, 2023. Oh, or here's just Mickey. That's really cute. And a Stitch and a variety pack here, mysteries. So they're like little pendants. Okay, I have never seen these. A pin with a fake plant in it because it's a planter pin. That's silly. Okay, we did a quick picture at the castle. Now we gotta run in the treat store. Here we go. Oh, here, keep walking down. Let's see. Oh man, that fudge always looks so good too. The cookies, the chocolate marshmallow sticks.
Feeling like a caramel right now. This caramel looks really good.
My classic go-to. You order here at this counter and then you go pick it up over there and pay. Alright, we had an awesome time here today at Magic Kingdom, our first time of 2023, so happy New Year of 2023. We rode the new train, that was awesome. Patrick did Splash Mountain for the first time. We didn't even have to get that wet, and it was super duper fun.
Yeah.
We got to do a little shopping and grab our treats. So we are taking the treats home because we got to go get some food on the way home. As locals, we don't eat in the park much, so we got to go grab some grub. Have a good day. Thanks for joining us on our
Magical adventures.
Magical Adventures.
And
Also,
See you next
if
time.
go to
Oh.
Disney World, if you want to do Splash Mountain, it's not going to get you that wet, but it is pretty intense, so I suggest you try it because you're going to be close.
Don't get in the front
Gotta
row
try it.
seat.
It's about to close. I think January 23rd.
Do it.
There's
It's a
only a
fun
little
ride.
time left, and then we get to see the Tiana one. I can't wait. We will definitely be back
But
for that
no
too.
one knows how long it is until it's
All right.
open again. Could be a few years.
We don't know. I have no idea. See you next time.
On our
Bye. Yellow or purple.
Here comes green monorail. You think we can make this one?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Maybe.
And eat.
Better hold on. Orange.
You see the castle?